Wow, what a difference a couple of 5 hours makes compared to the way it was earlier. It has gotten very cool tonight. Temperatures have dropped into the mid 40s in many areas. 48 being reported at Farmingdale, 45 at Islip, 43 in Carl Place, 42 in West Hampton. We're down to 30 in, I said 42 in Shirley. We're down to 30 in West Hampton. 30 degrees already, getting quite cool. You can see right along the water, look at that, 56. So you can see this a lot of radiational cooling, so very stable layer of air, and the temperature rises with height relatively quickly with this radiational cooling because it was quite warm today. And we're going to go over those highs in a little bit. City obviously still in the mid 50s, 51 in Central Park. Let's see if they're getting that radiational cooling in New Jersey. They probably are. Downtown Toms River at 41, 36 in the Pine Barrens west of Toms River. I don't see a high for Lakehurst being reported. I don't see a temperature for Lakehurst being reported, but you can see it's radiated in the Pine Barrens. Again, along the water, they're not getting that radiational cooling either, so they're still in the low 50s as well. So let's take a look at what today's highs were today. It was pretty warm during the day, so we're going to take a look at that. And you will see, 66 in Carl Place for a high, 66 at Farmingdale, 66 at Islip, 66 at Shirley, 64 at West Hampton. There, it appeared on the screen briefly. Everybody pretty much got into the mid 60s. Strong northerly winds throughout the day, no sea breeze at all. Let's see what the city got to. 66 at LaGuardia, 63 at Central Park, 67 at JFK. So everybody pretty much in the mid 60s. Let's see if it's any warmer in the southern part of New Jersey where it might have been even warmer there. Let's see what we've got here. Get some high temperatures popping up on the screen. Yeah, almost 70 in Toms River, 69 in downtown Toms River, 66 west of Toms River. So quite warm. Got close to 70 in Jersey. A couple degrees warmer there. Not surprisingly, but we're getting that radiational cooling again. So we're going to see temperatures drop again tonight. The cooler air has moved in. Let's take a look and see what it was like in West Hampton today. As you can see in the morning, temperatures were in the 40s. And then the temperatures jumped up when the winds picked up into the 60s. But yeah, very warm day today. You can see how the temperatures sort of dropped as the day went on. We'll look at Islip too as well. 45 at Islip, and you can see again how the temperatures kind of we're in the mid 60s. Very, very warm today. Very warm, well above normal, 10 degrees above normal for the day, and this kind of ridiculous warmth, but we're finally going to see things start to cool down next couple of days. Looking at the skies, here we have some cirrus moving in. During the day, it was mostly sunny except for a few scattered cumulus around. Let's look at the models here as we head into this weekend. Now, this high moves offshore, and this is going to allow more of an onshore flow tomorrow, which will be cooler. High clouds will be increasing, and then this cold front moves through. Could be a strong cold front with chances of showers and thunderstorms Friday morning into the early part of the afternoon. Then that gets on out of here. Then we have much colder air built in, but there's like a little clipper system that's going to move in later Saturday afternoon and the evening that could produce some chance for some showers. In upstate, you see even a chance of some snow showers. And then that's going to bring in much colder air once we get towards Sunday. So let's go now look at the HRRR model. And we will look at the 0Z HRRR. And you will see here that high moves away, and here comes the cold front. So chance of showers probably anytime after, I would say, midnight tomorrow night. And then the actual cold front, here's the actual line here. It's going to move through, and it's actually developing a squall line with this. I see a little bit of a V in the isobars, a little bit. So we'll have to see if there's going to be a chance maybe for some severe weather, perhaps on Friday. But some of these storms could produce heavy rain. And they're going to be moving through, it looks like, right around the late morning, early afternoon. And then it gets on out of here by later in the afternoon. But yeah, that looks like a pretty intense cold front. And if we look at the winds, which we'll put the dew point on here, you see that onshore flow for tomorrow. And then the dew points start rising later tomorrow night. And it gets a little humid, a little muggy with a strong south wind. And then you can see that sharp difference there. And the dew points drop behind that front right there. All right. We look at the temperatures too on this. And you will see here that the Friday will be pretty warm. Despite a south wind, we're going to probably get into the mid 60s, so I think we'll get more of a warmish, muggyish feel. It's going to be tropical air. Tomorrow, you can see more of an onshore flow, especially for Long Island. It's going to keep us cooler. Jersey could still be dealing with mid 60s, but we'll probably be only in the low 60s tomorrow. So once this front moves through, we cool down Friday night and Saturday into the 40s. And then for Saturday, we're in the low 60s. Though it could be a little warmer in Jersey with mid 60s. But once that clipper passes, it's going to bring in another surge of much colder air. So temperatures drop into the 30s Saturday night to Sunday morning. And Sunday morning, we're probably at freezing. And then for Sunday, we struggle to reach the 50-degree mark with much cooler air in place. And you see there, strong west winds there behind that as well. Looking at the skies, Sunday will probably be mostly sunny. Saturday will probably start off mostly sunny with some clouds building in the afternoon. Friday, obviously plenty of clouds. And for Thursday, that's tomorrow, we'll have these high clouds building in. So let's look at the RGM here. And this is the 0Z RGM. I got to go back to the 18Z RGM. So this is the 18Z RGM, and you'll see it's still giving us a lot of sunshine for tomorrow. So the high clouds won't be that thick. They really won't start really thickly filtering the sun until like late in the afternoon. And you can see a good deal of clouds for your Friday, and then clearing Friday night. And then Saturday, we start off sunny, but then those clouds build in the afternoon with that clipper. And you probably have more sunshine on Sunday because it's like a little bit, there's like two cold fronts. There's this one, and then there's this clipper, which will bring the stronger, the main cold front through. It's going to really usher in that colder, drier, more November-like air that we have been waiting for so long. Let me go back to the temperatures, and I'm going to go back to GFS, show you what the GFS has done now for next week. So you can see it stays cold. So GFS, we're going to have this cold pattern in place here for next week, mid-40s. It's going to be definitely below normal to start the week. And then we start to try to see some, again, warmer air, once again, surge back into the region. You think we're done with this warmth, and then you think, we won't have any more days where it's going to be in the mid to upper, any more 10-plus degree above normal days. Nope, there's always another one that sneaks in there, but I really don't want to focus too much on the long range in this weather update. We'll talk about that more tomorrow night. So that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thanks for watching.